Automation is one of the most critical areas of next-generation IT services. Tasks such as scaling, code deployment, and system administration can be either fully automated or automated to the degree that introduces considerable benefits for your business. Cloud automation helps eliminate human errors and repetitive manual tasks, make environments more consistent, and efficiently maintain IT infrastructure at scale. Amazon EC2 Autoscaling is a technology that helps us ensure that we have the correct number of Amazon EC2 instances available to handle varying application loads. We create a collection of EC2 instances called Autoscaling Group. Each group has the specified minimum and the maximum number of instances. Amazon EC2 Autoscaling ensures that the group never goes below or above the defined threshold. With scaling policies, Amazon EC2 Autoscaling launches or terminates instances as the application's demand increases or decreases. This process is entirely automatic, and once defined, Amazon EC2 Autoscaling takes care of automatic scaling in the background. This functionality helps you have the right amount of resources for your varying workloads and keep your costs minimal. DevOps comes from the words development and operations. It is the combination of organizational structure, tools, and practices that help companies automate their code deployment. With the adoption of DevOps, your company becomes more competitive by releasing software updates more frequently. AWS offers various DevOps tools such as AWS Code Pipeline, AWS Code Build, AWS Code Deploy, and AWS CodeStar. The adoption of DevOps comes in 3 steps. DevOps assessment, the analysis of the current situation. The goal is to identify critical pain points of an existing development workflow and propose the tools for code deployment automation. DevOps automation, implementation of various tools for code deployment automation. The goal is to mitigate risk and increase productivity by automating end-to-end application delivery. DevOps management, daily monitoring and workflow optimization. The goal is to ensure the delivery pipeline automation cycles flawless functioning. System administrators are often cluttered with simple, manual, and repetitive tasks that solve issues detected by performance monitoring tools. These tasks include process restarts, resource cleanup, memory outage, and CPU utilization. They are very frequent and take up precious time. The size of various IT systems is increasing every day, and it's getting harder and harder for the system administrators to efficiently detect and fix problems distributed over IT systems. Automation of such tasks becomes critical to eliminate downtime and keep IT systems running without problems. 35% of all IT infrastructure problems can be fixed with automation. For an additional 40% of the issues, downtime can be reduced significantly by having better and more informative alerts. Generally, we can say that about 80% of all IT infrastructure issues need to be handled by automation. Self-healing infrastructure can be accomplished by using 3 important components: application performance monitoring, AWS Service Catalog, AWS Lambda. Dynatrace, New Relic, or Datadog detect and trigger a problem notification when something goes wrong. For example, certain services become unavailable concerning the user's SLA agreement. The underlying issue can be simple: full disk, bad configuration change, increased load, or a problem in a depending service. AWS Service Catalog creates and manages catalogs of services that are approved for use by a system administrator. Lambda runs the code needed to fix the problem. For example, this code can add more disk resources to the existing instance when the disk is full.